Hello everyone, and thank you for joining. Today I'm going to teach you how to make handwriting magically appear on a PowerPoint. Here we go. Hello everyone, and thanks for joining. Today I'm going to try and teach you how to make handwriting magically appear within a PowerPoint slide. You're going to start over here with File and New. We'll start a new PowerPoint. There's a blank presentation. And you can get rid of the top one, click on it and press Delete. Go to the one on the bottom and type what you want to type. Let's try hello. My name is Mr. Curtin. What's your name? And you can change the font to make it something like a handwriting font. That just makes it a little more fun. Let's try the French script. And then we're going to make it bigger until it fills the line. There we go. So for this task, you want it as large as possible because you're going to have to trace it later. So now that we're on it, go to Animation and Appear. The next step is click over to the right, and we're going to go to let's click in the box first. Animation, and let's go to the animation pane. We're going to need that. On the right, there is a little arrow on the right, and you'll go to Start with Previous. Now you're going to click on it. You're in the box and right click. And let's go to Format Text Effects. Now you can see in the animation pane, you can see this little arrow. Click it down. Effect Options. Animate text. We don't want all at once. Let's do by letter. Keep it at half a second. It makes it easier to calculate the time. Click OK and watch on the bottom right. It's counting how many seconds it takes. We're going to need to know that. Should be somewhere around 20 seconds, so let's keep an eye. So it looks like we've got 20 seconds. So the next thing we want to do is go to Insert. Insert, Online Pictures. Click in here, try type pen writing and enter. Make this a little bigger so you can see more. And just scroll until you find something that you like. That one's not bad. Be great if we could find a hand. So let's try handwriting. Pen, handwriting. That one might work. Let's try it. Oh yeah, that'll work. So Click off to the side, click on the bottom of this box and press delete. We'll get rid of that. And let's go ahead and angle this however we want it. We can do it something like this. And let's make it smaller. Just click and drag. And let's see what happens if we send it to the back. There we go. So that would look nice. So a little trick is we could bring it to the front, and that will hide any mistakes that we make. So let's bring it to the front. And so what may happen is we may see the handwriting, even if we have a little second or two delay, it may cover our mistakes. So now we're going to go to Animations. And we're going to go down here to Custom Path. Now we're going to need to make this a little bigger. Makes it a little easier to work with. And we're going to click down here second time and we can start tracing. So this is a problem. That's not going to work because we can't really see what we're doing. So let's press Control Z, and that'll delete everything we just did. So let's move this off to the side. Now we're going to try it again. Animation, Custom Path, and we are ready. Click once and twice starts, and we trace. You cannot let go of your cursor. You need to keep your finger on it the entire time. If you let go on accident, you need to redo it. We are almost done. So as you can see, the larger you can make the writing, the easier this will be for you. And you can see how this works. And double click at the end. The next thing you'll notice is that it started pretty far off to the left. So we're going to try and angle it up here pretty well. It's going to take a few times of doing this till we get it right. Go to Animation, Preview. All right, so you'll notice that we made a mistake already. Go over here to the right under Picture. That's the writing we just did. Start with Previous. Now, Animation, Preview. So we've got the right idea. Now we have to change the timing. Double click, it'll start it. Let's go here. Effect Options. We don't need any of this. And let's go to Timing with Previous, and we've got about 20 seconds, so let's try that. Press OK. Go up here to Animation and Preview. And as you can see, we've got a much better product. That hand kind of hides it a little bit if there's any mistakes. All right, we're off to a great start. So, as you can see, it's pretty simple. Anybody can add the handwriting to their PowerPoint. Thanks for joining, and have a great day. Hello, everyone. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Remember to find us at www.geltitc.com. geltitc.com. Look for us on LinkedIn and keep watching for more YouTube videos. Thanks and have a great day.